A couple of weeks back, I built myself a unit converter with the help of Google AI Studio. I'm really happy how it turned out and how it works, and I already gave it some colors that I use often and the font that I use often. But I wanted to personalize it a little bit more, and I thought I can do that with giving it its own domain. So I thought I'll show you how you can do that. So this is of course the end result, but if we go back to Google AI Studio, you can see where I gave the prompts to tell it how I want it to look. And once you're finished and you're happy with it, you can deploy the app. You pick a project, and my project is named Technical Tools. I'll redeploy it. And there you can see the app URL that Google gave it. But of course, I want to personalize this a little bit more. So I'll go to Google Cloud. When you're guided to Google Cloud, make sure you're in your project you assigned to the app. So my project is named Technical Tools. Make sure you're in Services. Then go to Networking. And here you can see the site names it has at the moment, but I want to give it a custom domain. So here I'll click on Manage. I have to add a map. From here I'll click on Unit Converter Pro. After I selected the app, I'll tell it I want to have it as a subdomain of technicaltoolbox.nl. And then here I'll give it its own name, Unit Converter Pro. Continue. Now I use Squarespace domains. So I log into there, go to DNS settings, and then I need to give it its own record. So then I just need to fill it out with the text that Google gives me. So if we go back, name Unit Converter Pro, copy. Type CNAME. Says 1 hour. Let's see. In here. Then we'll save it. Then a custom record is saved. Then go back to Google Cloud. And we'll tell it it's done. Click on refresh to see if it edited it. Now the connection between Squarespace and Google Cloud took a while. As you can see, an hour. I did something else, but I fast forward the video. But yeah, it should work. So let's test it out. And here you can now see unitconverterpro.technicaltoolbox.nl. So yeah, it worked.